Tell me you're Nazalian without telling me you're Nazalian.
I'll go first.
We use our elevator often for convenience and save our time than taking stairs.
Hindi ka man lang babasa. Nanonood ka lang. Nakika-wifi ka lang dito.
Malakas wifi dito eh.
Ako pinapanood mo.
Yung UAAP. Oh,
Balita
diba?
ko, panalo sila eh.
Kaya nga, yung galing, di ba?
We have fast internet provided by our school to help students to do their works. And yes, tumatambay kami dito para mag-surf.
Chief, happy birthday, Chief!
Birthday ah. Birthday ah.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Birthday ah.
Be a Nazalian! Choose NU Nazareth!